Hi everyone! In this video, we show you how to create a pull request on GitHub. First, open the github.com in your web browser. Now, from this homepage, click on Repositories from the dashboard. Then click on the first one from the results. Now scroll down to see details and click on this pencil icon. Then click on Fork this repository. Here type example for pull request. Once you're done adding, click on Commit Changes. As you can see, it says you're making changes in a project you don't have to write access to. Submitting a change will write it to a new branch in your fork, so you can send a pull request. So save changes. By doing so, you will get the Create Pull Request button. Go ahead and click on it. After that, add a description to it. Once done, click on Create Pull Request. Your pull request will be sent for review. At least one approving review is required by reviewers with write access. You can also close pull requests from here if you want. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.